Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 in VMware Workstation here in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Shift key and F10 key in your keyboard. So you can see F10 key aligning your function keys. Just have to press Shift key and F10 keys together in your keyboard and you would be able to open a window like this. Okay, where here you need to type for regedit, and the moment you have typed it, click on enter to read. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open a window or you will be able to see a window like this. Where here you need to look for HK underscore local underscore machine. Just have to double tap that, proceed to system, double tap that once again, and proceed to setup, double tap that, and you need to look for lab config. Okay? If you, in your case, if you don't have such, just have to do a right click, go with new, go with key, okay? And you need to rename this into lab config, okay? So just have to type exactly what I am typing here, lab config, and once you have typed that, click on enter. So once you have created a new folder called lab config, just have to select it and proceed to the center of your screen. Or here you need to create a new string value. How you can create such here, you need to do a right click, go with new and go with string value. And the very first value would be named by pass t p m check. Again, it is bypass TPM check and click on enter. Once you have created such, you need to do a right click once again, go with new, go with string value, and type again bypass CPU check. Once you have typed it, click on enter. And this time you need to create again, do a right click, go with new, go with the string value, and the name this time by pass rom check. Once you have created such, click on enter to proceed. And the last value or string value would be bypass secure boot check. Okay, click on enter. Now our next step will be we need to change the value data into one of these four value string value that we have just created. How we can do that? Proceed to the verb first, just tap to double tap and change the value data into one. Click on OK and proceed to the second, double tap, change the value data into one. OK. Double tap once again to the third, change the value data into one and click on OK. And then have to double tap once again to the last four. Double tap, just have to double tap and change the value data into one. Okay. Once you have set all of the value data into one, close this window and proceed on, just have to close the error window and proceed on installing your Windows. Just have to proceed on setting up your Windows and then check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.